Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. We can check the battery level on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way to do it is to do it on the watch face. So if you wake up the screen on your watch, some of the watch faces display the battery level, like this one right here. And if yours doesn't, you need to open the watch face menu, find the watch face that does, or you can basically customize the watch faces to display the battery level. So for example, we can tap on customize button. It will allow us to swipe left, and here we should see something like complication. And we can tap on the complication, find the battery. It's going to be somewhere on the list. Tap on it, and once you apply it, you can also change the color. And then you can press the home button to apply it, and here we have the battery level displayed on the watch face. Another way to check the battery level is to open the quick panel. So if you swipe down from the top of the screen, on the quick panel at the top you will see the battery level. And the last way is to open the battery menu, and you can do it by tapping on the settings icon on the quick panel, scrolling down, finding the device care, I believe, tap on it, and here we have the battery. And we can tap on the battery to see the battery level. Okay, and that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.